Hey guys, I am back with a special opening today, and it's heavy. Check it out. Yeah, a huge heavy box. And it comes from Jamie at AKA the Bag Lady. Hold on, we'll be right back. We're gonna open this sucker. I can't wait.
Hi, that's all I'm allowed to say.
Oh, hey everybody. Okay, I am dying to get in this box. I am. I really am. And he's got a knife here for me and
Careful.
everything.
Be careful.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. I am so excited. So let me explain to you how we did this. Well, Jamie sells purses on her channel. Nice purses. At very nice prices. Yes. And so I can't sell purses to save my life. I've tried for 3 years. I think I sold one. But I had a accumulation of name brand purses, unnamed brand new purses. And so we got together and decided I was going to send her the purses and she was going to send me some things that I usually sell. Okay? So this is what we did. And we've been having a ball with this, guys. You need to go check out the video where she opened my box. Yeah. RB Butterfly at ya. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's full. It's a bursting at the seams. Yes, sirree. She even put me a little cardboard in here. That's cool. Okay. I'm going to show you what's inside. That's it. And I am going to put it on the floor because it's easier for me. So I don't strain my shoulder again. I don't know what I did. Somehow I messed up my shoulder blade and my shoulder. Beats the crap out of me. Okay, let's see what we got here. Marshall's. Ooh, this is Marshall's and it's Rachel Zoe. I love that. That is like awesome. Awesome. Look at the buttons on that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see, what size is this? I'll have to look later probably. I'm too excited. Oh, size 0. Okay. Alrighty. Gosh, this thing is so full. Thank you, Jamie. Alright, Liz Baker, medium. This is a beautiful shirt as well. And you know, I love this color. It's like an olive green. It don't look like that on the camera, but it is. And it's a tank, and it is so nice. 100% polyester, guys. That is nice. Okay. Woohoo. A nice dress for spring. And Klein. This is a 10P petite. This looks brand new, guys. It really does. And it actually looks like linen. I'm not sure, but I'm going to check it. Yeah. This is nice to wear in summer. It sure is. And in spring, really. Because we've been having 80s and 90s here in Texas already. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see. Oh, it's got a nice lining. That is a nice lining. Okay. I'm a-looking. Now that may not be here, or I may not be able to find it. No, it's not on here.
Size right there.
Inside? No. No, not the content is what I'm looking for. Whoop. Oh, there it is. I find it. It's 100% linen. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. Everybody dance now. Oh, I love getting linen. So nice. Okay. Ooh, shortsies. LL Bean Classic Fit. 100% cotton. Medium. These are nice. Nice. Yeah. And man, I've been trying to get some shorts and everybody beats me to them and I can't grab them fast enough. Ooh, and here's some more. Columbia Sportswear, medium. That is cool. Cool, 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 cool. I like this color too. Yeah. And these are so lightweight. I love the lightweight ones, especially when it's really hot. Okay. Ooh, brand new Columbia, size large. Pink capris. And these are nice and they're my size, so I may keep these. Oh, is that cute or what? And lightweight. Lightweight. These would be awesome. If you guys are interested in anything, I forgot to tell you, I'll put my email up here. I accept PayPal. Prices will be posted, hopefully, on here. And, let me see here. Bert's playing with my box. That's the problem, okay? I have to watch Bert with my box. Anyway, I will have the email in the description and on the screen in case you like anything, and everything will be, there'll be shipping added to it. I do calculated shipping, US only. Sorry guys. Okay, Bert pulled something out of the box, so I might as well show it to you. This says Etch and Ember. Now I don't know what this is, but I will find out. Yes. Yep. It's a rubber cover of some kind, so I will see. Okay. Well, dude, what do we got here? Okay. Yep. Now this is just my style. I think it goes, I don't know. I don't know how it goes, guys, but it is cute. Cute as anything. That is like nice. Size medium. Yep, size medium. Ooh, check these out. These go with it. Yeah. So, can you imagine?
That's when you barbecue.
When you barbecue. Bert said it's for you to barbecue. Okay. Whoa. Now, this is neat, guys. Come on, you know it is. Check that out. Brand new, too. This is the back.
New type of bathing suit.
Yeah, for the nudist colony. Mandy. It's a 34B. $18 price. Okay. Ooh, check this out. This is Dolly Parton. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Pot holder. That is so nice. It's a guitar too. Jamie, Bert loves the guitar. He's been learning to play it. He plays piano. Oh, there's another Dolly Parton. This goes with it. It says, pour myself a cup of ambition. Oh, I remember that. That's in her song 9 to 5.
Yeah.
I have the movie. I've seen it hundreds of times. I love her. Okay. Ooh, this feels nice. Billabong. Billabong size medium. Oh, these are pretty, guys. Pretty, pretty. Those are pretty. Yes. Stretchy. I don't know if y'all call these flares or wide leg now. But they are so nice. Just really pretty.
They're all in one. They're all in one.
They're what?
All in one.
All in one? Bert calls them the all-in-one pants. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, this is soft. Mucklux XL. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. And it is so soft, guys. Oh my goodness. And it'll fit me too, so I have to keep myself away from all these nice clothes, Jamie. Oh Lord, it is nice though. Winter item, but that is okay.
You can sort number 4 closet with that.
Now this, I believe, she'll probably tell me if I'm wrong. I bought this, or wanted to buy this from her. She wouldn't let me. She stuck it in my box. And the reason that I bought this, Jamie, was because I was going to buy this, and you stuck it in the box, is because the yellow little shoulder purse I got from you, I love that thing. It's great for spring and summer, and this matches it. And it's just the perfect size to put in there. So thank you very much. Okay. Let's see. This is a Yeti cup holder. Yeah, I had one and I can't remember what it was, but I'll bet you Jamie can tell you. This is awesome. Wow, you know what? This might fit in my car. And, you know, where I want to put my drink in it.
Sure enough.
Yeah. Yeti. Woohoo. And it's my color. It's purple. It's purple. Okay. Ooh, I like this too, guys. Terry lingerie. Let me see. Wow, this is the stuff my sister-in-law likes to wear. And it's 92% nylon, 8% spandex. It's a 34B, so therefore my sister-in-law won't be wearing it because she's bigger than that. But it's beautiful. This is a Kate Spade, New York. And it is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I guess they call them safety cases. Flexible case. I need to tell you guys something if I remember at the end at the story time about that. Okay.
No story time tonight.
Oh wow, check this out. She even remembered the doggy. I just cannot get over it. And this is a size medium. This is Max Studios. And it is a little doggy outfit. That is awesome. That is brand new. Brand new. And you know, Yoda's getting old, and I bought him one, and I bought it too small. So this will probably fit him. Yeah. Ooh, I like that too. It stretches a little. It's a small. It's a size small, so I can't steal it. Yeah, but it is beautiful. I like it. You know what I like wearing these with? All these kind of belts that we get in the fun boxes and stuff like that. I like to wear them with those rompers that you get from TEMU. Those things, I wore them all summer. They were so comfortable. They're wide leg rompers. And most of them are true to size. But they look so cute with the little belts and the little chain belts. Just an idea. I'm going to start putting ideas in my eBay stuff. Sag Harbor suit. Ooh, this is pretty too. This is a size 8. I sold, or what would I say? I consigned a jacket a little bit like this. It didn't have the inside pinky thing, the what do you call that, tank top feeling? But it just was the jacket, and it was like this. And I can't even remember the brand, but they consigned it for $69. Yeah. This has the extra buttons and size 8. And the MSRP is $200. And that's just for these 2 pieces. There's 2 pieces. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's see here. Born in Australia. Billabong. Small petite. This is brand new as well. That's a big small petite, ain't it? I've noticed a lot of them are we back to doing oversizes? Mm-hmm. Are kids wearing the oversized clothes again? Because I've noticed that. This sells for $39.95, guys. Just the t-shirt. Yeah. I'm telling you. You'd be surprised. She packed up my box. Me and Jamie are sisters from another mister. That's what. Colorful Planet XL. Made in Bangladesh. And this is a plaid shirt. And, you know, I like to wear these too. I don't think this one will fit me, probably a little bit too small, but these are popular, guys. Oh, it's an XL. It might. Was $28. Yeah. Wow. That's something. And this one is lined, so it's good for winter time. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. I know where this is going already. I know where it's going. Here, Bart.
Oh, yeah.
Johnny Cash.
That's mine.
Yep, I knew it. Yep, I knew he was going to keep that one. The Man in Black. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. There you go, Bart. I knew you were going to keep it. Oh, I like these too. These are Splendid size small /CH. 100% rayon. And these are a small, yeah, it's a small. Camouflage. Thin, so you don't sweat. Cuffs on the bottom, elastic cuffs. Yeah, pockets and everything. I like those. Those are nice. Okay. Let's see. Now here's my size bottle. My size alcohol bottle. Oh hell, there's 2 of them. Your Power. Oh wow, check that out, guys. Yeah. That is nice. And it has a runs like butter zipper. And let's see what this says, if anything. No, it doesn't. But you know what? This sucker is nice. Very nice. Yeah. Because, well, I don't know. how many diabetics I have that watch my channel, but because of me being diabetic type 2, I am always thirsty. I have got to have water with me at all times. It's crazy. Time and true. But look how pretty this is. Tie-dye print bandana, Bert.
Ooh,
That is cute.
I'll take one.
And there's 4 of them here, so you and Mark could both use one. And they're my boho colors too. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know boho is doing strong because I've been reading about it online. Okay, this is Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren, size large, stretchy, very nice for summer. Stretchy. Yeah, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, you know I'm going to keep this, right? That is so
boy.
cute. Bart said, oh boy. He says, I'm dead now. Ooh, that feels nice too.
Make sure you wear,
Pink.
make sure you wear it in the wintertime.
I don't know. This is very thin, so could probably use this one for spring and summer. And it has a little rose on the cuff. Oh, that is nice. Damn, I'll be keeping all of this stuff except for the small. Oh, my goodness. Okay, let's see. What's in this bag? Oh, my goodness. I know this is going to be nice. I just know it. Look at that. That is sweet.
Silk.
Yes. Oh my goodness. And I guess this is the top. It's a size medium, guys, so I can't steal this one. Yeah. That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, wow. Let's see. It says Swomog. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. That is awesome. This thing keeps coming off my head. I just have to hang hippie hair. Yeah, it's because of my glasses. That is so nice. Okay. Ooh. Yep. This is Echo Unlimited, size small. Everybody I know wears thermal shirts in the winter. And I'm sure up there by where Jamie lives, they do too. Because I'm from Chicago. Oh, I haven't never heard of that brand. I'll have to look it up. Wish it was my size. I wish everything was my size. I don't know where I put it all, but you know. Okay. Ooh, nice. Athleta. 2-in-1 capri. Designed in San Francisco. Extra large, tall. Oh, that is cute, guys. Check that out. It's got the ruching on the side. Yes. They are so cute. Check that out. Ooh, very nice. Very nice, very nice. More than happy with this box, Jamie. Urban Star. 3430. Wow, these would probably fit me. Wow, I have never heard of them either. Stretch, relax, fit, straight leg. Yep. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Really. Let's see.
That's it. Hmm.
Okay, I have to see. This is a motorsports jacket. It says, oh my goodness, it says Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson. Oh, yes. Yes, it says outside. Yeah, I hope so. All American. It's a large. I can wear it. It's a large. Oh my God.
No.
First over there. Oh my God, she's going to keep everything. I love this. Check that out, guys. Check it out. Yeah, I'm probably going to sell it because I got so much stuff, guys. It's a nice jacket. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Heavyweight. Good for winter. Very good for winter. I'll give you a good price. And that is my Jamie box. Thank you, Miss Jamie, a.k.a. the Bag Lady. You did a wonderful job. And if I end up with some purses in my fun boxes and all that, I will definitely do it again with you if you would like to. Everybody go over, check out Jamie's channel. I will put that up here on top. Go see her. She's awesome. She don't pull no punches. You know, she tells you like it is, and she shows you the bags inside and out. And if something's wrong or something's worn, she's going to tell you. Very good. Okay. Before I go on my little story spiel, because I'll forget otherwise, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you like my channel. And hit the bell so that you will get all my videos. If you would like, you could go check out my life channel, which is Dear RV Butterfly. Let's see. Make sure to share me out if you don't mind, because I'm still trying to make my way to the 4,000 hours I need. Yeah, it was 3,000 and now it's 4,000. Well, that's to get monetized. There is a video online that y'all need to watch. And the title of it is, oh my goodness. I'll put it up here, guys, but it's about eBay. And they have been, for some reason, taking people's channels off. And they're not even getting like a heads up about it. And these are just, it's buyers and sellers, not just buyers. I mean, not just sellers. So I'll put the name of the video up here so you can make sure to watch it. Yeah, but I will tell you that. Okay, I'm going to try to get this video to end because it says that I don't have any more room and I want to make sure that it uploads. So, I got to erase some stuff, I guess. I don't know why it's saying that, but who knows. But anyway, I love all you guys. We're going to do another jean video for you this evening, so you keep looking out for it. This, I believe, will be video number 3 of an American Thrift Supply 100-pound women's blue jean box. I love y'all. We'll talk at you later. Don't forget to catch Jamie. Bye.